ma no da umu uke le pagate ma the healing of two demon persons man no pagate ma la no da no pagate ma la kas aware no masawera no ma blaki wera no pagate ma la tanakidu no tanakidu ora la pakanyo apu no tanakidu no ora la pakanyo apu no eta lu pura paka ero de takitaku ti pa silki pay no de la when she aroused the other sides and the regions of the no guardian no pagate no pakase shu level su no let to su wa ba kho no to ra pa kho the word the plum no ko ra la guardian no two demon past men coming from the tone meeting no pagate ma la no pagate ma tana khitu ora la parga ne lo no no pagate ma la awa ora la lobu no 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 awa ti on lobu no they were so violent that no one could pass that way no awa ti ti pa ne no pagate ma la ini do ma no ini tu he pagate ma tu he no ma ga ma le kho a clear bo ne te se ba no ta lo wa ne lit ki te se ba no what the in it to paku no put no penny no what do you want with us no aware penny no aware terra no nakama party no nakama party le son of god no you are pukwa son of god no aware thing yawe kasai shu no aware thing yawe kasai shu no son of god ko no nakama party le no terra no nakama party le no this sound no this sound ko su tho ra no ko tu tho ra no have you come here to torture us before the appointed time no neke ne hema ha pa le ta se ka to de pa di ba phomu ne ya no awe we no ta se ka to appointed time no le ta ko ta se ka to de pa di ba phomu ne hema ha pa ya no some distant from thence and largest herds of pigs was feeding no pagate ma no pwa tanono la ora oso yiro no oso yiro no awati de pha no pagate ma du ora tho su tho sa phane no tho cha phane no awara pig was feeding no pwa tanono ora tano no the demon begged Jesus no phane ni tera no pagate ma la ta na ne ma no ta na ne khikanya wa da kasai shu no if you dry up out no name no ha top one send out into the herds or pig no pagate ma la ke name no ha top one no name ha top one na selo kwa la thot phu ne lo no selo kwa phane no he said to them go so they come out and went into the pig no pagate ma la no aware selo wa da what thing no selo wa da no aware no tera no head top no leno phane leno lo to phu no and the whole horse rushed down the sheep burnt into the lake no pagate ma la no thought dot phu le no pagate la khi no leno su no pagate ma la no leno su ti pu no no pole pu no pagate ma la no pu khale kase no atete ma la phay no lake no call lake and dine in the water no leno su no pu khale no awe thiwera le awe thiwera no le no pu ne no le tikla no those standing the pig ran out no pakanyolo akwa wera no pagate ma no thought pu ne no awe khiwera went into the town and report all these including no pagate including what had happened to the demon possessed man no possessed man no demon possessed man sira no tho ta phu ne pa ta ti ta pha la akwa tho ti pha le su to wo pu do no pagate no ma la te plaro wada no petito wada la tai ta klu khala kashi la tamma athati phane no including no tamma athati pha khala kashi phane le no pakanyo la tana odo alo daga age klu sikko phane no then no the whole town went out to meet Jesus no we learning no lo to wapu no pakanyo ko ai odo to wapu tit pha no lo no to wapu tit pha khala kashi no he ti wera no pagiter ma he ti we ka sai shu no he ti we ka sai shu and when they saw him no pe awe ti we ka sai shu ne no awe ti we ka sai shu ne they pleaded with him to leave their region no no awe ti we ka sai shu do no awe ti ra awe ti khi ka nya ka sai shu no with us no ha thaw we lo ta lo we ki no let ta ne hu ta lo pameti le pagete mala tana olo paganyo ga alo no para kasai he master pali ma mani lo pache olo ke ha thakwi phei do no pagete ma lekwi pagete o ti no le ta ko na no pakra sukomo lo tagi khai age klo ne no pakra patu pata la tagi khai no when you see that Jesus no get out the demon, the man is getting free. We see the man is getting free. How we realize about the man, and then we say, get out our country, don't come back. Why do you think by yourself? No, think about no. No? And then another thing is here, no? Jesus and the Beelzebub, no? Jesus and Beelzebub. When they brought him the demon possessed man who was blind and mute, and Jesus healed him, so that he could both talk and see. No, penny sector ne perhaps so that no, for general pamyo gada a meditita baro a work to that theme. No, tita bar kudati pane penny kasai shuma blacky over theme, no, my blacky the theme. So that he could both talk and see, no. But now Pakiani tikita no katukita, no. Hello, hi, no. Let the Nakuta pay me, David, no. So that no all the people were astonished and says, no, but Jeremiah astonished and no penny, but almost little part Tiveda, do Lokamaka, do with it, David. Could this be the son of David? No. Away no me sort of a pukwa no but when the Pharisee heard this they said it is only the Beelzebub no away ni me da Beelzebub no dera no a Pharisee the Pharisee dera away ni te Beelzebub no the prince of demon no away ni me da la no pagitera mala tana akhu no prince of demon tana akhu no thus this fellow dried out demon no away ni mitala no atai tapu no pagite ma no ha tho wada tana we no tana no ta tapu no ha tho tana we no Jesus knew their thoughts and said to them no kasai shi ti nya wala away thi no away thi ata sukumu no ata away thi ata sukumu no te wada no every kingdom divided against itself will be no ruined no pagitana mala no pagitana mala bomu tit pha no ero malo pha ta no ero thoda lo sa ni jara no awati tit pha ni kaha ko kui we lo and very cities or household divided against himself will not stand no pagitana mala no ti the war corporate ni no ti ko copy de ni a wealthy the pani me $1 thoda ta ka ro ta ka ni picture ma o we da ta o ro ta ku ta pho ba no no a wealthy uga ukla ti ba no we not stand uga ukla ti ba no if Satan drive out Satan no picture ma la mu ko li me no ha tho mu ko li ni he is divided against himself no aware the thoda lo aware the enoxata lo how then can his kindred stand no ke meme dine aware the tikoni ko ukla ti le no aware the pakasukumata aware no and if I drive out demon by Baspa, by who do you people drive then out so then no pagitana mala pay no yamin no ha to no muko pagitana matana basapa no pagitana no no mataragati pa la tupo tulu pa no ha to awani cathedral no so then no mimi ko awati pa no they will be your judge when it gave la think a kid over that tasinyo le tuho no tasinyo le tuho no but if I drive out demon by the spirits of God no mimi ko yamin no ha to begdana ma no tana le no makna you are the society no then the kingdom of God has come upon you no away ni me da le no muko obamu no kino ka ywa obamu ni he utako he tueli le tuli tu oli no he tuwe su tu oli no leta na kura pakrasiko pe no or again no leta na kura lekiro the blog do how can anyone enter strong man's house and carry off this position and let them first tie up the strong man now picture mala no ke kathidi le no pwa taka kala ne wa super su hipu ne no do pagitera ma no awe katu ne we ke hi ne we ra ta pota li tir pha asugta ne pagitera ma la ka ta no ka sa ka wa pwa hi super su do awe ke hi ne we ra ta pota li ne lo asugta ba sa ka we da no pwa hi super su we ne no ke hi ne we ta pota li no he who is not with me and against me no pakanyolo at oro javane athoda ya no pakanyolo at oro javane athoda ya no and he who does not no gathering with me scatter no peter ma pakanyote phala ano atagu pu ta ro javane no peter ma and so I tell you no Mimit ko yakajetu no we run yakajetu no every man no po pakayoko adene but the blessed no blaspheme against the spirits will not be forgiven no awene mita la no thoda wara bakala no ta so si no letan ko da aweti tit phane no tabata no pagete ma le tabata pla atakama ba no anyone whose speech was against the son of man no patakala me thoda katuta na bakala pakanyo apokwa yi we be forgiven no when it takaba pla atakama but anyone who speak against the Holy Spirit will not be forgiven no pakitana patakala me thoda katuwera tasoshi no tasoshi ne tak plaba atakama ba no either in this age of or in the age to come no that so e no asolo ka he sikone that plasiko atakama ba no awani pakrepa tu patane no make a tree good and its fruits will be good no pakitera mala ke maro thile age do that thile thithala age or make a tree bad and its fruits will be bad no we learn no pakitera mala mato thile do awake thatho athala ni lo you balls of vapor how can you who are evil say anything good no away ne thura tir phane thume pwa tir phala pa to tir phalo thuka pakitera mala thukam te takatula no agi kathidile pa to tir phane katu takatula agi ni kathidile ero tewe no Paying for out of the overflows of the heart the mouth speak no pakitera mala away ne mi da no ta he tho wa da le tu attack ko no pa ne na tu he so ro ta le no pa ke ma tu sa pu o so ne tu ta ko akatura ma no tu sa tu ta ko akatura le ta ne ko ta ro ne no tu ta ko tu ra the good man bring good thing out of the good store up in him no pa ka nyo no agri ni no he so wa ta gi ta wa no he so wa ta gi ta wa do pa ke na pa ka ta gi ta wa le ade pu ma no ade lo pu ma no store si dan ade lo pu ma no but I tell you this man we have to give count on the day of judgment for everyone careless what they has spoken no but then ma yekete tu no pakanyo le he so weda no mu ni mu so te ta pha ni no ta ba sinyo o le loti lo se le awe ka tu da ta ka tu le but then ma le akatu da ta ka tu te pha ni no for by your words you will be no unconscious and by your words you will be containment no but then ma la le ti ta ka tu khu ni no ta ka ba ma pu ple tu no lu ta ta ka tu khu ni no ti ka ba ta sin yo shi ko lo no khop lo pa ta ka tu no pa ta ka tu ne ba pa lo pa sa thom bu bu kho lo le ta no khu da pa mi ti da le ta ma sa le pa me nya ti e tu ni pa pa lo sa le pa ka tu da no when we see happening in front of us we should remain by ourselves no don't just other okay think about by yourself and the thing uh, you know that the people watching you and that the people thinking you forever and that people see you wherever you go they think about carefully okay you are good man or not good man doesn't matter the people have judged okay the people judge including the God is see you whatever you do whatever you say come on your heart you speak no this is not good thing remember this no let that go pa kro pa tu pa ta le pa ka tu ta timi ke timi pa ma ta timi ke timi pa su ko mo ta timi ke timi le pa ta mo pu no pa ka le ti le pa ka ma ti le pa ko ka su ti le ni no pa lo tu pa lo ta ne ki no ma su ki tu le ti ta mo pu no ka sa yo ka le ta le tu o lo tu le ti ni ma ti ni ki no God bless you, God take care of you, God upon you, and may God bless you for your family and your household. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Bye bye.